to the shop right now. I'm going to try and get the intercooler mounted on my S13. I don't have a whole lot to do tonight. Just got to stop by the old hardware store, pick up some flat steel, drill some holes in it, bend it, make some sort of bracket for the intercooler to go onto. Hopefully Friday I'm going to be picking up some more intercooler piping from a buddy of mine. He said he'll just throw it to me for free since I've got some cheap eBay piping that I'm trying to run on the S13 and it's just not working out. I'm going to have to cut it into a bunch of pieces and use a whole bunch of couplers, and that's just not going to be fun. So he says he has piping that'll work, so he's going to throw it over here. Let me test it out. That's pretty much it. I am trying to get into doing like a daily vlog type thing, just so that we have more content, like stuff to post on the internet. But I don't know how well it's going to work out because I don't do anything. So yeah, I guess we'll get back to you. Hopefully I remember to actually record something while I'm at the shop. What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to Clip's Garage, where we'll be doing a whole lot of nothing. Maybe a little something, you know what I'm saying? We've got the S13, my intercooler, held up by this nifty contraption. We've got some nuts and bolts, some stuff that came in the mail for my injectors, and that's pretty much it. We'll see what I can get done. Oh, it didn't beep. All right, guys. I wanted to stop the time lapse real fast just so that I could show you what I've done. I made some little brackety thingies. They're on there pretty good, so I figure they'll probably hold my intercooler. I'm gonna make two more that just come straight out from the bottom here to bolt on to the bottom of the intercooler, and then that should support it good enough. And then when I go pick up this intercooler piping on Friday, I should have everything I need to get all the piping done. I can put my blow-off valve on, and then really all I need is just like fuel pump. I gotta finish up the wiring still, which is really simple. It's just like plugging stuff in. My CAS isn't plugged in. Throttle position sensor is not plugged in. All the wiring's in there. It's just kind of like hanging down underneath. And then, yeah, that should be it, I think. I don't know. Back to time lapse. Alright guys, it has been a long while. You can't tell because you've been on time-lapse mode. That was probably like 2 minutes. But it's been, I don't know, like half an hour, 45 minutes. I've been messing with this. But I finally got my intercooler mounted right there on the front of the car. It's actually pretty centered. I think I did an okay job for literally just eyeballing everything. I didn't measure a single piece. I just bought some metal, cut it up, sort of bent it how I thought it should go, kinda. It's really just like a temporary thing. I'm just trying to get the car running. I need a new intercooler anyway, because this hole right here is it was cross-threaded. It had a bolt stuck in it, actually. And so I had to drill the bolt out, because I couldn't, like, I couldn't get an extractor in it. So I drilled the bolt out, messed up the hole, tried to retap it. I couldn't get the threads to hold, so that one's just not there. But it's pretty solid. I mean, I can like move the car with it. It kind of wiggles a little. But I think if I had this last one on there, it'd be pretty solid. And it's still pretty solid how it is. I'd like to tighten it up a little bit more, but for now, I think we're good. I'm about to call it a night. It's like 9:30. I still got to drive home, get some dinner, and watch some TV. So, good night. All right, yeah, I think I'm calling it quits for the night. I'm just going to head home. I think I got a pretty good amount done. Intercooler's mounted. I got my little pads for my injectors, like the O-ring thing that sits on the intake manifold and the injector goes on it. Ordered some of those, put them on, so finally my fuel rail and all my injectors are bolted to the engine. I'm slowly narrowing my list of things to do. So hopefully soon enough, maybe next year or so, the car should be finished. We'll see. I mean, there's only like 3 things left, so I figure one thing every 4 to 6 months. And yeah, thanks guys. I hope I didn't waste a lot of time. Really, we're just trying to make some cool content that people will enjoy. Just trying to show off our drift cars a little bit and how much we don't slide. But yeah, give us a like, comment, subscribe, check us out on Instagram, CLPS Garage, Facebook at CLUTCHLORDS. Yeah.